given ultimatums just because of answers. It's crazy. Nick and Vanessa did say that they broke up, and that's what kind of brought them back together.
Yeah.
So I feel like us breaking up in this experience will bring us back together stronger than ever. And then,
but that's only if I give you the answer that you want. You've given me the ultimatum. You're saying you're ready to get married, but if we are to take that step, how do you see yourself as my wife?
It's kind of crazy how you say, how am I ready to be a wife? And I feel like we've gone through so much where I proved that I'm really here for you in all of our moments, and it's still a question.
You've been there for me, but I've been there for you too. When we first met, you was Ubering.
He's always getting picked on.
Uber Eats. Who was with you every day?
You.
After I finished working, I'm with you. Pulling up to the spot, I'm hopping out, getting the food, jumping back in, we off to the next race. Like,
well, I'm not saying that you were never there for me. I'm just saying that
I don't know why they're bathing in 5-degree weather.
To constantly be called
messed
your
up.
wife, and then nothing ever comes from it, you know?
It's gonna happen. I just don't think right now is just the right time. Think about it, like, you just got started in marketing. Like, how happy did you feel when you got that job?
Really happy.
Imagine we get married, you're just getting really started in this career, and then kids and stuff happen, and then now you have to maybe, take a back seat from that for a while.
But it's not like I'm asking you to, like, get me pregnant or have kids right now.
I don't know, Chanel, like, they say marriage is the biggest decision of your life. So I don't feel like I'm like in a rush.
When do you know the right time?
You are going to be my wife. Yes, I want to have children with you. Yes, I want to grow old. I want to get the house. I want to raise these kids. I want all of that, but it's just
not the right time.
Not the right time.
Waking up each morning was a promise all the time.
Oh.
Like we could literally be here one day and gone the next.
Oh.
I just want us to be ready. What if at the end of this I don't have an answer? Like,
I would have to leave.
see, I don't like this.
Oh my God. This is insane. What the heck?
Last night,
I'm interested to see who you connect with, who I connect with.
After tonight, like, we're gonna be broken up. Exes.
You guys are gonna need some more water.
If you say this now, then I'm gonna get these
Don't
texts.
worry, I know you're not gonna be texting
I'm gonna
me.
get these texts.
You're gonna
It's
love
awesome.
to not have to text me.
No.
It's fine. I know you'll be thinking about
You have to
me.
take a bath every day.
Very much so.
I mean, I want to walk out of here with you, but there
Wow.
obviously are like hesitations that I have, or else we would be engaged. You know. I want you to love my fire. Like,
Your fire directed towards your passions is a beautiful thing. Your fire
crazy.
directed towards me with
you're my
things-
passion.
Okay.
You are. Like,
Oh.
good and bad. Like, you are. I'm so passionate about you, and you
I
know
but
that.
You should put that passion towards, swinging a golf club and like,
No, I'm not that passionate about that.
or some hobby that you can get your aggression out on.
You're my hobby.
Shouldn't be your hobby. I should be your husband,
babe.
not your hobby. You're using the wrong age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Shut up. You're here now. I don't want to
I
be.
know, but I'm already.
Let's just be together. Or dump your ass.
He wants more.